Stopwords are words that get treated differently in a database than most search terms do. By treating them differently, I mean that FSTA either ignores them entirely or counts them as placeholders for which any other word can be substituted. These are the FSTA stopwords in EBSCO. These words overall are not good search terms. They are mostly prepositions, conjunctions, and articles. If you search them singly, FSTA acts like they don't exist. Search the, and you'll get the message that no results were found, even though the probably appears in pretty much every single FSTA record. However, FSTA doesn't always ignore stopwords entirely. If you use stopwords in a phrase, inside quotation marks, of at least two words, at least one of which is not on the stopword list, then any stopwords will be read as placeholders for any word. If we type the phrase packaging which is biodegradable, our results include all these phrases. Which and is have been replaced by materials, edible, active, sheets, hardly, are, on, oxo, and more. For the record, we could type the phrase packaging whatever because biodegradable and get the exact same list of results. So now you know about stopwords. Next time you search for a phrase and don't get back the exact same phrase you were expecting to see, you'll know a stopword or two is probably responsible.